also had the aircon on. I'm doing my thing.
Good morning.
Good morning. Standoff.
Good morning.
Here we are in Warrnambool.
On my channel.
I haven't done my video from last night.
Well, that sucks. I've already edited and uploaded my video from yesterday.
Yeah, I know you have. I still got to go through and edit all my Insta360 footage. We made it to Warrnambool. Warrnambool.
How was the bed?
How was the bed? It was small. Small and like soft, but also hard. I don't know how to describe it. Really plasticky.
I laid down.
Yeah, plasticky.
I laid down on it and it rocked back and forth like a cake. Like I felt like a pudding. So yeah, onwards to Camper Down.
Camper Down? I mean, not doing. I guess Camper Down's on the way to Sovereign Hill, isn't it?
We're gonna Camper Down, and then we're going to Sovereign Hill, which is in Ballarat.
Gold Rush Town. Charlotte.
Gold Rush Town. It's time for the little gay cars to go. Gay little cars, where will they go?
Can't say that.
Church. Big church. We're in Camperdown with a big pole.
Chimney. What's it for?
Chimney. This is a cute little town. I'm glad I picked it. There it is. It's the Camperdown post office. Look at my big ass clock. What? A cute little post office. That's a pretty extra SPB. Camperdown 3260. So this cute little green area is actually the bushfire place of last resort.
Oh my god. You would love it.
I don't think she would.
I'm gonna put it in your bed. This is about the size of the ones that live inside my house.
Yep. Gay little cars. Oh, okay. Big old storm.
Storms are coming.
Should we pop the top down? Oh, look at that. Look at the triangle over there.
The pyramid. That's cool.
There. The ultimate final boss. Rain and a slimy windshield.
This is so hard to drive right now.
So, MX-5. I think it's alright. I expected it to be worse in some places and better in other places. Everything's plasticky.
Yeah, everything's plasticky. The drop top is cool though, the mechanism.
Yeah, they've definitely put a lot of effort into it. The boot seems huge in comparison to what the car actually is.
Driving it is fun. Like, it's way more responsive, way more drive than, say, an SUV that I feel like for a weekend car, if it's like a fun car to own as a novelty, probably like 9, 8, 10 out of 10.
Anyways, this is Colac. It's actually really pretty.
Tiny town.
Just tiny town things. How many psychopaths do you think are around here?
I don't know. Too many. Living in a tiny country town probably makes you slowly go crazy. Wow! Looking at the engine.
It's not tiny at all.
That's true.
It's perfectly sized.
It's regular size. That's surprising. I thought it was a tiny engine.
No, it's not.
Okay. Hey, look, it's the steering linkage.
Yeah.
No strut brace, so the whole car wiggles.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. What is day?
And then you'll go straight through the traffic lights, and then there'll be another roundabout. Take a right at that one,
What's
and
that?
you'll see it directly on the left.
It's a Ford Capri. Got the gay little cars at the biggest M. They have arrived at the biggest M.
It's the choco one.
Ash has her big M. Changi has her Big M in a plastic bottle.
Plastic bubble.
And I have my Norco milk.
Also in
because
plastic bubble.
Norco's from Queensland, right?
Yeah.
Queenslander.
Actually. It's not even the right drink.
Your turn.
What? No.
So this is the big chainsaw, which is rather underwhelming. Changi got out and then immediately got distracted by there's an Ultraman cart just up there. That's way more interesting. So here we are in Colac.
Not for long though, we're leaving.
Yeah.
Our next stop.
Antique store.
Antique store?
Yes, it was an antique store, but it looked like it was shut.
That's what you get for not going to the Pombo shop. Whatever it was. Hey, there we go. Got there in the end.
Your favorite.
Renewables.
Welcome to Biak.
Let's picture of a plane. And eagle.
Orange grass.
Bad news, you should have seen too. Yeah, we were at.
So we made it to Ballarat, all the way from Camperdown. Flat.
Well, from Warrnambool originally.
Here we are.
Save a few pennies.
Of course, for most immigrants, getting to the diggings in Ballarat wasn't simply a question of hiring a horse and
Oh, it's starting to rain.
Like 25 years.
Money to the government if you're this like if you're Chinese. It's difficult because it's like handwritten. So like characters like this don't make sense to me. Right here, Jake.
What you buying, stranger? It's time for you to be educated.
Oh, education center. Does it have brakes? Oh, it does have brakes.
The battery house, what is it? Well, it's the middle part of the process when it comes to the recovery of gold. So, the miners want to go underground, and we'll have brought up this beautiful right here.
The devil finds work for idle hands.
So bought a raspberry chocolate frog
I forgot about those!
We're gonna go back?
Where are they?
in the candy store.
Just go get it.
Wait, the one where I got these from?
Uh-huh.
Just go. Now.
They don't taste very raspberry.
I'm gonna record some diegetic music.
Photographic room's my favorite.
Where did Karen go? Alright, do you want to go to the
So here we are, done at Sovereign Hill, and now we're back to Melbourne. We have to drop the car off at 5:30, and it is nearly 4:30, and it's an hour drive. So let's go. My car punk. Punk quarter.
Oh, it's a bridge.
It's part of the bridge.
You missed the Dorito.
I did get the Dorito.
Get your home.
Ah, McCain, you've done it again. I know you can't see it, but there's a McCain factory over there. There it is. There's the Bourne of Mel.
Destination directly in front of you.
Small
that's
MX-5.
Small.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. So this is our hotel room for the second leg in Melbourne. And here you can see we have the Three Musketeers bedroom and the main bedroom. And here we have the bathroom situation. You'll notice immediately that the shower is raised above the floor for the toilet, which is really strange, which is why the shower is like so high. And everything's really yellow. Welcome to our humble abode here in Melbourne on the second day trip. Alright, I'm going to head to the Commons, which is I don't know, it's this brand new developer, and they had built this as like their foundational building, and I really wanted to check it out because I thought it was really cool. There's a restaurant at the bottom, so we're going to try and eat there, but it is kind of expensive. It has been an expensive trip so far, so we'll see. Anyways, there's my toys. I'll leave them here. I don't need to bring them with me, so no reason to. Let's go take the train. This little suburb's pretty cute. It's really pretty. Do you need some radio parts? Time for a tree to get killed. It's in poor condition, apparently. So they're gonna get rid of it. The street's pretty cute. So this is that housing division that I wanted to see. The architecture around here is really pretty. Like, look at this place. This is what suburbia took from us. Looks like it's all Nightingale. Oh, this is the first one that they've ever made.
You realize you're taking photos of people's homes.
Chocopan Jikan Deo. Trains and sunset. Chocopan. Chocopan.
Actually, tastes like basil.
Huh?
It tastes like basil.
I see. 7% battery remaining.
Yeah, someone's got my charger. Does it taste good?
It tastes like basil, I said. 3 rounds. different food this time.
Yeah,
Does it look good?
it does look very good.
You ready?
Food.
I'm ready.
Wow. Punch me in the face.
So we just finished at the Nightingale Cafe.
And it's
Nina's.
night.
And now it's night time at check's notes, 9:15.
The sky's still bright though.
But you know, the sky's still like super bright. So let's go and have a look at some buildings. Another Nightingale place. Look. It's so pretty. We got the thingies on the top.
Oh, I'm a fan.
And then Chengi and Ash are exhausted.
I'm not exhausted.
Ash is exhausted. Another Nightingale. The ducks.
Where it goes like, give me the truth.
Wife
Wife.
gets me going.
Weddings.
Upstairs is residential,
Oh, okay.
and downstairs is commercial.
I'm not gonna lie, upstairs looks like kind of shit.
Well, it is on Main Street, so if you own the place underneath and you live upstairs, it's really easy to commute down the stairs to work. Sneak. Baby Jesus. Let's go. This just in on I have to see it, so do you. How many hands does this guy have? Now, how many eyes? I don't like it. Also, nice dude.
Also playing music's very loud.
Yeah, I guess. We could have taken a different train on a different car.
No, I choose violence. Anyway, this is last night.
Changi in her special place now. The train lookout. Look, there's a train over there. It's your favorite.
Trains. Look out.
It might hit someone.
Oh, there's trains that go over the trains as well?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Changi in an unhappy place, surrounded by car-centric, unbelievably well-designed.
I can't hear you over the sound of cars.
What?
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 Conversation.
I can't hear you.
Oh no, it's public transport.
My favorite. I mean, yeah, gross. Ew. Ugh. What happens when they hit the barrier?
I love weird shit, and that was a weird shit store.
Miki, you didn't send a video to Lake Dwellers.
Yes, I did. Look, this is the end of the day. We're gonna have our charcuterie board
Oh,
and then
that
go to
one
bed.
there.
Are we gonna have fucking cheese strings?
Yay! Cheese streams!